Well, they've done it again. The Salida Fiber Festival has kind of rolled with the punches, and this year, instead of being a virtual show, it's going to be half virtual and half in person, which I think is great. And I'm going to be part of the live show in Salida. And I'm Deb Toole with the FeltingSource, and I just would like to show you some of the things that I've been doing. Of course, during the pandemic, when I was locked down for a year, these four walls of my studio became my best friend. And I've got an entire guest room closet full of inventory. So those of you who come to the Salida Fiber Festival are going to see the best inventory I've ever had in all the years I've been doing shows. So poor guest room, but lucky you. Some of the things that I've been working on are mostly wearables. I've been doing some four-way vests, and I just felted these things like a madwoman during the pandemic. And this is one of my favorite ones, this turquoise and blue one. It's called a four-way vest because there are 4 different ways to wear it. I'm not going to do the gyrations here on camera, but one side, and it is reversible, and you can also wear it upside down. And it looks like a little cape. So that's the four-way vest, and I made 18 of these during the pandemic, so we're well stocked. Another thing that I really had fun making was ponchos. And this is a poncho that can be worn a couple of different ways. It can be worn with the point in the front, or it can be worn with the point going over the arms, like this. So these ponchos are also versatile, like the four-way vests are, in that it's reversible. So we've got an active side and we have a quiet side. Just take a look around. These are all my supplies and equipment. We've got fiber and pre-felts and all kinds of things that I will be selling at the show, as well as helping me work and create things. Scarves are one of my favorite things to do. So here's some scarves. And they're fun because I can make them in a couple of hours, and they're just no two alike. So scarves are one of my mainstays, and I really enjoy making them. So you'll see a lot of those at the show. One of the things that I really have enjoyed doing was learning a new skill. I have learned how to dye silk, and this is one of my silk scarves that I learned how to dye during our year of lockdown. So I'll be having several of these babies at the show. In addition to those things, we've got some kits. So if you want to be making your own, this is a scarf that is available in kit form right here. And you can make your own scarf that looks like the one that I'm wearing. Another thing that is popular is our needle felting kit. And these kits are available on the website as well as in the store. So those are going to be something that I'll have available. In addition to needle felting supplies, we've got needle felting foam and needles that we will have as well. I know that you have heard of the colorway competition and the 4 10 for 10 colors. I've added kind of a rose color as my choice. So these will be available as well. And roving by the ounce or by the pound if you want. And last but not least, we've got plant-dyed wool, which is great for needle felting. This is going to be our show special, and usually this is $6. We're going to be selling it for $4 during the show. So I'm looking forward to seeing you in Salida, and hope that you can all stop by my booth. Thanks. Bye.